So now that we finished our smart material, let's go ahead and take a look at how we can easily reuse this material. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Let's call this smart material preset. Then I'm going to go ahead to the adjustments. I'm going to get rid of all the adjustment work that we did. Just going to leave a HSL here, both. Also, roughness, so it's better to use that contrast luminance. I'm going to add that to my favorites as well, just for consistency's sake. Let's call this base adjustment. So I don't want to actually like adjust anything on our preset material, because I want this preset to be like as basic as it can. Let's go to our base. To make this as basic as we can, we're just gonna start off with 0.5. I'm gonna go ahead to our darken. Just gonna delete all that stuff, lighten as well. This one's pretty nice and basic, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. One thing I want to make sure that the basics is going to be triplanar projection, because that's the one that we'll mostly use. Now I don't really care about these, because this is the stuff that we're going to be switching out anyway, so I think like that is fine. That's fine as well. Then the details, let's take a look at how that looks as a base. Probably don't want to have this called ladder. Let's just call it detail map. Detail material map. And let's switch out the ladder for like a clouds. Why not? Just want to look for something that's very basic. Again, the more basic, the better. So now that we have all that, the final thing we should do is delete the mask. Otherwise you're gonna get like a weird thumbnail with like black spots. Now if we go materials, where's the smart materials. And let's actually go ahead and call this preset smart material, just so when we look for preset, that all our presets will pop up right away. Let's give this a color as well. And let's give color a different color. Actually, let's not do that. So just like this. Now we have a nice preset material to work with. Now, in order to save this to the shelf, all that we need to do is right click and say create smart material. And over here you see that we now have a nice preset material. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. And let's enable our ladder again.